Hi, this is Lavina and welcome back to my channel. It feels so nice to sit in a different place and do the YouTube video. Basically, we have come for a staycation.
Okay, Nati recording.
This time is the highest ever.
This is the crazy human with me. That's our driver today. This is our driver today. Driver's assistant to hold the directions.
Baby!
What happened? No.
What happened?
What happened?
Yeah.
This is the craziest one.
Her, she's sitting
Yeah,
me.
come here.
The craziest one is sitting me.
All crazy people in this one corner they put everywhere. And it's
Anantara.
staycation time. Let's go.
Anantara.
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 I have been a little hesitant to travel since the incidents that are happening on the flight. So I thought let's explore Dubai then. So we have got lovely places, lovely staycations. There are lovely farmhouses, but this time we chose Anantara. And it's really amazing. A huge property. I wanted to stay in the water villas, which are exactly like Maldives, but they were way too expensive, like beyond my budget, obviously. So that's when we decided to take the Lagoon villas. I'm also a member with Anantara, so I did have a lot of benefits in terms of 1+1 night free. The lunch is free, lunch or dinner optional free, one free. Plus, there were a lot of discounts that I got. And we took the Lagoon villas, which are connected to the water, like where you can enjoy the activities entire day. The villa is well connected through each of the units of theirs, like in terms of the regular rooms, the Lagoon villas, the water villas, they're all interconnected in certain way, and there are buggies which can take you around. There are staff available at all the time. I was impressed with the reception area service that they provided us, like how somebody comes and takes care of you. It's a different kind of vibe when you come to a 5 star and then you go to a 3 star. So there's a lot of difference, and we really enjoyed that difference, which is beautiful actually. And is it worth the money? Of course, yes, because since we're staying for 2 days, it's totally worth it because we can explore a lot of things, do a lot of things, and especially if you are a water person, like you like pool and water all the time, then yes, of course, this is one of the amazing things because you can enjoy in the water pool all the time. But yes, during summer, it's very hot. During the daytime, it's too hot. So during that time, we're going to explore other things.
Also here,
Okay.
is a pin one more hanger.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I
That's
think.
okay.
Yeah.
We're good.
Yeah. Look at this one. That's fine.
And privacy mode and a room cleaning service option here.
Yes.
Okay.
In any room cleaning, you can just press make up my room.
Okay.
option,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
And tea coffee amenities water is free. You can find the tea coffee machine and coffee amenities there.
Okay.
And next to the coffee machine, the mini bar fridge.
Okay. Come. majority of them, I guess. Oh, so cute. Oh, wow, look, this is a mini Ronaldo. See? This is Ronaldo. You want to touch? Yeah? Thank you so much. Alright. Titu. Bye bye. One minute, is it? It's a bye bye. Right. This one doesn't recognize me sometimes. I don't know. What is this? Hey, it keeps moving, see? By itself. Sometimes I feel Dubai is like US. Keep giving tips to everybody. Yeah?